Hey there, my people. Welcome to Calls the Production. This is your girl, Maureen, and today I'll be taking you through video editing. Here, I'll be using Premiere Pro 2019. I'll just take you through some of the basics. Yeah, so let's start. On your machine, you're going to double click on your software, which I'm using Premiere Pro. As you can see, it's loading. It might take some time to load, but it depends on the kind of machine you're using. Well, it's going to bring me different options. If you've been working on your previous projects, it's going to list them here. But for you who wants to start learning on how to edit videos, here we'll come to new projects. Just click once. It's going to ask you to name your project. I'm going to name mine as Maureen, which is my name. Option, then I'll go to OK. But as you can see here, the different options. For us, we're using DV. You can also use HDV, just how you like it. Then I'll go for OK. It's going to give me an interface of the Premiere Pro software. This is the interface now. It has 4 panels. This is the project panel, this is the source panel, this is the timeline, and this is where you do this is where you monitor all your effects, all your editing, all your color effects and transitions and all. So I'm going to take you to step 1. Here on the project panel, we are going to simply import our videos here. My videos are on file, so I'll just go to file, choose the videos that you want to edit. I'll just choose one here. I'll drag it to Premiere Pro and bring it directly to my project panel, and it will appear. So I'm going to do whatever I'm going to do with my video, but you can't work it when it's there. Just double click on it and it will be automatically come to the source panel. So this is where you choose whether you want to edit the video itself or the audio only. So you'll do your cuts here. For instance, you don't want the whole video, you just want to do some cuts. You'll come here, you'll use this to cut. There, and I'll just drag it to my timeline panel. And here is where you choose whether you want the video only or the audio only. It will ask you drag audio only or video only. So I'll take the video only. And as you can see, it has brought me an option. This is my timeline. This is where I'm going to here is where you're going to monitor all your effects, and make sure when you're editing, here at the bar it's option editing. There are different options here. To just show you a few, I'll click on learning. Premiere Pro has offered a number of tutorials which you can use to just learn some of the basics of editing your videos. As I told you before, for you to edit your videos, just make sure that you're on option editing. And at the same time, you would want to do some color effects. Click on color and you'll come on this side. It has quite a number of options that you can use: exposure, contrast, highlights, shadows, whites and blacks. It just depends with your taste. Then on different effects, again, it has options on this side. As you can see, these are the effects you can add on your videos. And also to work on your audio, there is option for audio. These are you're going to monitor everything that you're going to do. And lastly, we have graphics. You can just use your creativity and all to add some graphics. Premiere Pro has a number of graphics on this side. As you can see, you can use them to just add taste on your videos. Yeah, and that's how you're going to edit your videos. Just have fun and I hope that we'll continue learning more and more videos here on Colstar Productions. I'll be taking you through deeper and deeper. Let's get to know more about what different softwares have to offer. I've been your girl with Irandwati. Make sure to like, subscribe, and share our lessons. Don't learn alone. So up until next time, ciao.